There it is. There it is. There it is. Lizzie's memory, all what she has taught us, ndio hiyo imeanza kuwaka, and now it is my singular duty to share the light with all the teaching staff. Nitaweka hapa the two of you student, be patient. I share with your left hand. Share with your left hand. Tukisonga tusonge hivyo. Yes, whatever she has taught us, whatever she has trained us, whatever she believes in is being shared. Yes, share. As in memory of Madam Lizzie, let us share her values, her Christian values. She loved to forgive. We are sharing forgiveness. She loved to give. We are sharing giving. She knew the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. We are sharing that knowledge, that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. She was kind to all of us. We are sharing the kindness with all of us, so that wherever we go, her love, her kindness, her generosity, her understanding is shared with everybody who is writing this candle. Wherever she did not write indisciplined student, we are sharing her values, that discipline, Lizzie. And now we have a 1 minute silence. A 1 minute silence, those who are talking in memory and in respect of our foreign general. Let us have 1 minute silence. Thank you. And now there is a tribute. Ningetaka ichezwe, na ikichezwa inua mshumaa yako juu as a symbol that you will be showing and doing everything we shall be requested. Wapi tribute?
Ucio miaka 72 bururi na thĩ yothe nĩekĩra ũira atĩ nyina wa ciana nyingĩ nĩwe waciaragwo gĩtugĩ kĩa gĩthomo bũrũri-inĩ, mũtarani wa mĩtugo na mĩikarĩre mĩega na ikundi-inĩ cia rika, ndaragaga kiugo na aingĩra kanitha-inĩ nĩaramenyaga mũhari wa gũtema. Angĩkorwo mũndũ akuaga na akarũmĩrĩrwo nĩ arĩa maramwendete, thĩ nyũmũ gũtingĩatigara mũndũ. Lizzie Wanyoike wahurũka, aciari mamenyete bata wa gĩthomo kũrĩ ciana ciao. Lizzie Wanyoike wahurũka, andũ mamenyete mũũgĩ nĩ mũtare ũrataranaga na ũũgĩ waku mũingĩ. Cukuru waku wa Nibs College na Lizzie Wanyoike Preparatory ũgũtũra ũrĩ riko rĩa gũthondeka andũ a bata thĩ ĩno. Andũ acio a bata marĩthondekaga maũndũ ma bata, we wĩ wa bata. Mũkawa wa Emory Kĩrĩrĩcua nĩkuo andũ a bata marĩcemanagia kwaria maũndũ ma bata, tondũ nĩ kwa mũndũ wa bata. Kuma kũrĩ andũ aku a family na makiri ma andũ watuĩkire wao nĩ kũhutia mĩtũrĩre yao ndũkuĩte, nĩ kũhurũka. Hurũka thayũ wĩrorere maciaro ma wĩra waku. Njĩtagwo Simon Kibe.
Aya, pigia Simon Kibe makofi. Goja DJ. Na Simon Kibe ako hapa, ningetaka tu mkonfirm kama ni yeye.
Habari yenu, good evening. Naitwa Simon Kibe kutoka Royal Media Services, Inoro TV. I'm also a part-time teacher here, teaching journalism and mass communication. Asante.
Ngoja. Simon Kibe kama tunaelewa hajuangi Kiswahili. Yeye ni mtu wa Kikuyu, si ndio? Siaongee Kisabri tusikie kama ni yeye. Ama namna gani?
Inoro hwaine. Moige wa bũrũri gũcakaya gĩkuũ kĩa Lizzie Wanyoike na mũtaramu wa gĩthomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Lizzie Wanyoike akahurũkio mũthenya wa rũciũ. Rĩu gũkĩrĩte ki mohoro marekererio. Moige wa bũrũri hamwe na arutwo thukuru-inĩ wa Nibs College mũrũndũmwe na Lizzie Wanyoike Preparatory nĩthiĩte na mbere gũcakaya gĩkuũ kĩa Madam Lizzie Wanyoike ũrĩa ũrakũrĩkanĩte ta gĩtugĩ gĩa bata mũno makĩria guoka nĩ gĩthomo na ũtarani wa mĩikarĩre mĩega. Mũthenya wa rũciũ nĩguo Madam Lizzie akahurũkio. Mohoro macio mangĩ thiĩ mũkaigue mũciĩ.
Aya, kuna mtu ananiambia hapa ati anaweza ongea kama Simon Kibe. Wacha tumpe nafasi ama tusimpe nafasi? Apewe. Aya, wacha msikie. Wacha nimpe kipasa sauti. Inoro waini. Aya, DJ nipe hiyo wimbo. Dero nigote. Mungu anakuona. Aya, DJ tuendelee kuchukua kando zetu juu na tuibe pamoja hii wimbo tafadhali, kwa heshima ya Madam Lizzie.
Safiri salama, msalimu Maulana, tutaonana baadaye. Oh, safiri salama, msalimu Maulana. One more time, safiri salama, msalimu Maulana, tutaonana baadaye. Oh, safiri salama, msalimu Maulana. Just say there's sonana. Safiri salama, msalimu Maulana, tutaonana baadaye. Oh, ndio tutaonana. Without the keyboard. Nakam. Lift your candles high. Nakam. Let's have a moment of silence.
Thank you, let's clap. I know you have held it. Get your candle up, please. Get your candle up. Get your candle up. Thank you so much. Wow, wow. All in courtesy and respect to our foreign soldier. Haya. Sasa tunataka kuanza kuweka kando. Na nita request tuanze na walimu. Please get to where a number is. Tuweke radomre then tujaze pengo. Weka radomre. Haya, sawa, wimbo. Haya, tunapoimba the order of this section, this box, tusimame tukuje hapa. Just this section, please. Na tuharakishe. Weka kando as close as possible. Burn your wrong side of the candle. Burn your lower part of the candle. Na kama unaelewa hiyo wimbo, unaimba see you again. When I grow up, this is memorable. We have never done. Picha tutapiga, my friend. Picha tutapiga baadaye. Wewe tutoke hapa. Please, kwa heshima. Tufungue nafasi hapo. Excuse me. Wewe TTB student hapo. Huyo. Wewe TTB student. Tufungue nafasi. Tengeneza hii, toa hiyo, zima hiyo. Wewe tuzime ile.
Chukua hii tuende.
Nani ameweka karatasi shwari? Kama kuna shetani hapa. Ameweka karatasi kwa nini? Aya, tusiweke karibu sana.